Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Chief Cabinet Secretary, the Speaker of the National Assembly, my good old, I must apologize, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, Honorable Duale, Waziri, Tika, your Defense, Cabinet Secretary is present, members of the Diplomatic Corps, and all the distinguished guests. Your Excellency, I must apologize for coming late. If I had seen Honorable Kipchumba Murkomen, I would have asked him to apologize on my behalf, because I was held up at the escarpment for more than 2 hours. And I think it's all your fault. It can't be mine. There is no way it can be my fault. Anyway, Your Excellency, I must apologize for coming late, but just in time to speak. We kept in touch with Honorable Duale. Now, this is a great day for us. Honorable Duale has been a good old friend. A lot of people do not know how close we are with Honorable Duale, because of sometimes we do some bit of public spots together, but all we enjoy the game. We've worked with Honorable Duale for a long time, especially during the 10th Parliament. And I'm sure one of the reasons why he was sacked as an assistant minister may have been something to do with his close associated with some of us. And he lost his job. I know presidents normally don't say why they have sacked. I don't know whether President Ruto will be different, but they normally, they normally don't tell us when you are being fired. It just happens that in the afternoon you are no longer in the office. Honorable Duale was one such victim, but we worked together. We pushed especially the agenda of the new constitution together in Parliament. We also stood for those that appeared to us to be unfairly treated. And Honorable Duale speaks his mind. And I think that is one of the things we share. He speaks his mind, even if you are not in agreement with it, he will tell it to you to your face. And I think we are grateful for the rise that has happened. And I have not had the occasion to read the book, but I'm sure it must have said all that which is true, because he just notified me yesterday and I was in the villages. And I told him I'll definitely make it to come here. But Honorable Duale, I hope you'll continue being forthright, and I'm sure you have told us the whole truth in the book. It's good to be forthright. It's good to say that which you believe is right. And therefore, Honorable Duale, thank you very much. I'm sure this book, ni ya mama yako, na yangu, na wewe, tuendelee namna hiyo. Asante sana, and God bless you.
Thank you, Honorable Isaac Ruto. Asante sana. We move on, and up next is the East African Legislative Member of Parliament, the Honorable Kanini Kega. All right, we then move to the United Democratic Alliance.